Hey everybody, it's Sean Waters, and I'm super excited to invite you to the first course of the Wisdom Workshop, Writing the Good Life. This is a writing course focused on the craftsmanship of character and how we can expand our notions of writing to include different kinds of knowing and different ways to design a better, well-lived, more joyful life. We believe that the stories we tell ourselves about where we are, the frameworks and the perspectives with which we use to see our experiences can be modified, experimented with, and changed in ways that give us more empowering means to make progress in our art and in our work, in our relationships, and in our lives in general. First group of people that this course is really designed for are people that are facing a big decision or are in some kind of a transition where they're unsure where they want to go next. It's going to be people that are unsatisfied with the work or the job that they're in and want to find ways to move into something else but aren't sure what that other thing is. People that have graduated from college and are thinking about going back to grad school but might not be. People in midlife thinking about taking a career change or a move change, or people in retirement that are just entering into moving from working in a job to having more time. So it's partially a course in decision making and how to choose more sustainable and fulfilling and meaningful mode of happiness. And it's designed in that sense for people that want to explore writing as a tool to move through those big transitions. The second group of people that this workshop is for people who are interested in conscious development, or interested in understanding the stages of adult development and multiple models to do that, see where we are and how we can advance in our minds, our mindset, our framework, our emotional and bodily intelligence, as well as our intuition and general other ways of being in the world. And the third group of people that this is for people who are interested in advancing a creative project or a creative career. It's ultimately the camp that I fell into when I started this workshop. I created this workshop really for myself as a system of deadlines that I could meet to make sure I was meeting my creative goals. And that's really powerful way to think about what these 7-week wisdom workshops are. They're a model and a method for us to make daily progress on goals that we care about. The big question here is how we can use writing to change our approach and perspective on the world, how we can use writing to change our approach and perspective on ourselves and the questions and problems we may be facing. Now you can use writing to come to a greater awareness and embodiment of what it means to live the good life. Hence, we're calling it Writing the Good Life. Thank you, and I wish you well in writing the good life.